Shadows by my side, a quiet song of longing drifts with every tide.
Skies wear a blanket stitched with silver threads. Dreams fall like raindrops over sleepy heads. Even the moon seems lost in its delight, whispering secrets to the water and the night.
Rainfall in the night, shadows by my side, a quiet song of longing drifts with every tide. Footsteps in puddles echo soft and low, calling through the rain with a gentle glow. Turn the lonely darkness into something bright. Let the rain keep singing of our love tonight. Rainfall in the night, shadows by my side, a quiet song of longing drifts with every tide. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, hey. Every drop is singing like a distant drum, calling out a memory of what we've become. Let the clouds surround us, let the thunder sigh. Love will find its rhythm in the streaming sky. Rainfall in the night, shadows by my side, a quiet song of longing drifts with every tide.
Under every raindrop is a hidden spark, something warm and tender humming through the dark.
Hold my hand a moment, let the storm unite. Two lone hearts together